Hey guys, welcome to Levi Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make bread in a bread machine. Now the first things you're going to need are a bread machine, duh. Wait, that's not the bread machine. A bread machine, duh. This one has been around since the 1800s and it still works good. Now like I said before, all of these recipes are my own. Just 1 second. Mom, how much cup of flour was it again? And make sure you put all the ingredients in the right order I tell you to, or else I'm going to find you and hunt you and kill your dog. Make sure you oil the thing too, so you're not trying to pull it out like a Cheerio through a screwdriver. There you go. Now start out by measuring 2 cups of water and putting it into the thing. Just be careful after. The sun will come out tomorrow. Push your button. Don't spill the water on the floor. There'll be sun. Next, once you have your water in there, one and a half tablespoon of salt. Whoa, teaspoon, I meant teaspoon. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of milk, or what you got. I got canned milk, and I'm not gonna. You kidding me? And yeah, that should be good. And then last, for the liquids, you got 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Then lastly, you got 5 cups of flour. I tricked you. You really think I forgot about yeast? Did you forget about yeast? Well, you're dumb. 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. Now the setting I do is just the standard setting 1. It should be on for about 3 hours. So I don't know about your bread machine, but 3 hours. Oh, hi Dory. What's supposed to happen? Make sure to remove this middle bit. It doesn't taste very good. Wouldn't recommend it. Ouch. Hot. Also, we'll try not to cut the whole bread with the thing. Oh yeah. Look at that, eh? There you go. That piece looks undercooked. There's your bread. 3 hours later. I recommend putting some butter in it when it's nice and hot. Oops. I don't know what that bit is there. A little bit doughy. It's okay. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. You can now make your own bread, unless you don't have a machine. In that case, I don't know what to tell you. Sorry. Get a bread machine next time, idiot. Maybe you shouldn't watch this video unless you don't. This one's for you, Cruz.